Hello, I'm Alexander Usyk, professional boxer. And just like any man, I worry about my family's safety. That's why I have the Ajax security system at home. Let me tell you how to make your home more secure in just 15 minutes. To connect the system, you'll need a smartphone, internet access, and the Ajax app. Now let's connect the hub. The hub is ready to defend just like Klitschko in his prime. Let's look at the detectors. Ajax devices are easy to connect. Just scan the QR code and turn it on. I'll put the door opening detector on the front door. Now I'll install the motion detector. It's best to put it in the corner so that it can monitor the entire room. Let's imagine I'm a burglar. I open the door to enter. Ajax is on guard. Hey man, I have an idea how to improve your defense.